the day 9 of me showing up on camera, and I'm dressed to go to the market. If you live in Abuja, you understand that Abuja bush market is rough, and you need to look rugged. So that's why you're seeing me this way. The cap is for the sun. Like the sun here is crazy. Okay, and then I'm trying to stock up the house for resumption. School is resuming on Monday. So that's why I'm dressing in a rugged way. So for those of you that have been reaching out to me, like you want to learn a skill, I've created a community dedicated for women alone. So if you're a woman and you want to add value to yourself in 2026, join that community. I'll drop the link in the comments. Like you want to learn skills that can give you money, okay, join that community. All right, so I'm off to the market. Yeah, I'm off to the market right now, and I'll be showing you guys what I bought from the market. See you guys later. Bye.